In today's video, we're taking on the world's largest inflatable obstacle course here in South Beach. This thing was so challenging that there's no outro to this video. I just didn't feel well enough to talk to the camera. So enjoy these next couple of minutes of this obstacle course kicking my ass. We're on the first obstacle. Don't do that. Woo! Oh, that just hit me in the face. Right, I'm going this way. I feel like I'm playing Fall Guys. Just jumping it out. Yeah, it's on right now.
We out here.
Appreciate it. Alright, we're off. Make sure we get a good beat. Tiring. God damn, I need a break. Oh, there's no way, we're not even halfway. Whew. So we still have to go through here, and then the final big slide. I'm gonna just walk through this. I'm telling you, it's like Fall Guys. Woo. All right, switch street. Oh, hell no. Oh, shit.
Come on, Fox, you got it.
God damn.
Oh, you're not a Fox, you're a young man. You gotta go.
A little bit. Jesus, it looks smaller from above. The bouncing element is what makes it more tiring. I think we're in the final curve. Whew. No way, this ain't the last two. Yeah.
closer I finish, the faster I finish, the faster I get water. You good?